I'm assuming you already know how to write your email marketing campaigns. If not, make sure to watch how to write email marketing for affiliate marketing video. Because today, my friend, I'm gonna go over a checklist of 7 things you must have in mind when writing a single email in order to double your online sales. Hi, Vanessa here and welcome to my channel where you don't learn how to make money online, but how to be digital estate so you can live your own version of laptop lifestyle. But first, I want you to understand that it's like a number game. More you get people to open your email and click the links you send, more sales you're gonna make. So you want to do anything to increase the numbers of leads you have in your email list, people opening your email, and people following up your call to action in the email. And that's why analytics are so important. It will help you to figure out what's working and what you can improve. And believe me, a little tweak can double the amount of people opening your emails, reading it, and clicking the links, which will double your commissions. So let's start from the first thing that people see. You want a hook to motivate them to open the email. And your best bet here is to make people curious. The subject line is like the commercial headline of your favorite TV show that catches your attention. The more you make them curious, the higher are the chances of them opening the email. You can use things like order delivered, confirm your status. What was delivered? What do I need to confirm? Or, are you coming? Coming to where? Making them opening the email. Second, you can play with their pains and desires. For example, if you're in the health niche, you can use burn belly fat with this simple exercise. Things that can take their pain away. Test around, see what works for your audience. Some will do good, some will not, but that's the thing. Play with it and have fun. So you'll see what your audience likes. After they open the email, the first line or two should be a hook to make them curious to read the rest of the email. Because here is when they decide if they're gonna read the email or not. Some people like to scroll, look at the email, read a few first lines. The goal is to make an impression on those first lines. So they create the mental commitment that think, I need to read this email! Time to deliver what you're promising in the email. If it's tipsy emails, share some tips. If it's motivation, give some motivational content. If it's a promotional email, offer the product. The body of email is where you give the call to action so they can click the links. If it's possible, I would recommend you to create a story in the body of the email. Of course, you don't necessarily need a story in every single email, but a story is always good to create that connection between you and your audience, to make them to want to read more your emails. You want to create a friendly feeling by calling their name throughout the email. I personally even like to use their first name in the subject line. It grabs people's attention when they see their name when they're reading something. Like when somebody calls your name on the street and you look even if you don't know the person. So my friend, you do want to use their name in important parts of the email. Parts that you want them to read, to grab their attention. For this reason, make sure you ask for their name when you're capturing their email address. Now, you want to visually help your audience to easily read the email. You want to make it so easy that a 5th grader can read it. Just think with me, when you open an email and there's lines and lines with no space, your brain automatically shuts off. So you want to make it appealing for their eyes too. People don't want to feel that they are reading a novel in their email. For that, you can use. You want to break up your email into little sections and catch people's attention's important points. You can use dots like these ones. As you can see, it's not so overwhelming when looking at it. You also can use bold. Sometimes people read only what's in bold. Also, you can do underlining, italics, pictures, bullets, GIFs. These are all patterns that grab people's attention and break the boring novel look and make it less overwhelming to read. You want to use clear, easy-to-read fonts. I know there's some cute, fun fonts, but some of them just make it twice as harder to read. You want to use mostly single-sentence paragraphs with font size 16, 18, maybe 20. You don't want to lose readers because the email looks intimidating. You want to have easy, clean, welcome emails. Keep in mind that white space is your best friend here because it makes the email less intimidating. Anything you can do to add more white space, it's actually helpful. As you can see, simple tweaks in your email can make your audience journey more pleasant and welcoming, increasing the numbers that really matter to increase your sales. Don't forget to like this video if you got any value from it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Vanessa here and I'll see you in my next video.